We've been fortunate to have, I'd say, two groups of graduates and alumni and community members come through today. And the first group just is struggling to remember any part of how the school looked because it's been so long since they've been here and probably felt invited to come back. So I think the open house has been a terrific gift to them. But I think the group that I enjoy speaking to the most would probably be students who have come through, graduates that have come through that were part of the school during the renovation and have graduated and gone on to better things. And now they're looking at this beautiful building and wondering and asking why it couldn't have been here for them when they were here.
And I just want to say that Wayne has truly re-innovated this school entirely. Like it looks like a college campus now. It don't look like a high school anymore. When you walk in here, you see things that are similar, but you also see things that are very different.
I started at Wayne back in 1997. I've been here 28 years so far. I have been teaching English and journalism that whole time. I am so proud of the way our building has turned out. It's beautiful. It's completely life-changing not to have to deal with the dust and the noise of construction that took 5 years. To see the investment that Fort Wayne has put into this school, it's really humbling. I was so surprised and happy in 2020 when 75% of voters voted for the referendum that would give us the funds to do this huge renovation. And I hope that when people see our school, they know that that was money well spent because this is a beautiful facility.
I would love my kids to go here. One day if when I have a family, when that time comes, I would genuinely love my kids to come here because the way it feels like it could be a special place for a lot of kids to be able to wind down and relax their mind. The way that things are designed now in here, you don't feel so much pressure. That's what it feels like. Especially looking at the library and the way it is, students are able to go in there and just wind down and relax and breathe.
I'm standing here in the middle of what I don't know that anybody really knows exactly what to describe this space in the building. It once was a media center surrounded by 4 walls, 2 sets of double doors, and it is now an area that has no walls and no doors. And it is become the heart, I think, of the school building. And it came from this notion that our librarian, media specialists wanted more students to interact with research and wanted them to be more visible in the actual library. And so students at Wayne High School now, if they want to get to their classes, must pass through this area. This is how they move through the building, and then when they get a chance to collaborate or to sit and visit with their friends, there's a space here for them to do that. And I just think it kind of embodies what the school is trying to create, which is a collaborative setting for students to learn and to support one another through their 4 years of high school.
If you're new to the city and you want your kids to go to high school, I would highly recommend Wayne.